Hello, good evening, or should I say good afternoon, everyone. Hi, this is Christine Crowell. It's been a while. I am here, I am live here on Facebook, and it's been such a while that I've been on Facebook, but I've been working behind the scenes really hard and diligently because there's new things that's happening that we need to be aware of and be ready for if you're not aware of it already. AI is really a big focus, especially when it comes to recruitment. Now, I've been working with some really big firms here that have been, they're doing 100 million a year plus, for example, and trying to work things out. But what I'm noticing is that you, as a small business owner, you've actually got an advantage because they've got to go through so much rigmarole to get things approved. And it takes a long, long time to do that. Now, you're at the same level as all of the big multiple seven figure, 100 million, billion companies right now. You're at the same level with AI. And really, what you need to do is focus on how you can help them to really grow their business and become a partner with them in the AI space. That is, you providing AI recruitment services to organizations. Now, I'm not saying that this is something you can just pick up straight away. There's a skill, there's a way that you need to speak to people, there's a method, there's a structure in how you do it to get the clients to say yes to you, to want to be able to work with you. And this is why my team have been posting, because we are going to start doing some small mini trainings, but we are going to have a live AI bootcamp which is in March, and it's going to be March the 7th and 8th as well. And it's going to be in the evening so that if you're working during the day, you're not going to miss out. Okay, so what I want to be able to do is talk to you today about what is coming up. Something really exciting that you are going to be able to really take this to another level in your business. The old way isn't working anymore. Let me tell you, I've been working on this for 2 years, and the old way is working, but it's a bit slower. So what we need to do is to look at how we can embrace AI and provide that in your services of providing care, whether you're providing permanent staff or whether you're providing temporary staff. I suggest that you do both because you don't want to put one thing to the side when there's a company that needs permanent replacements, for example, in their organization. Now, if you want to be a part of this, just comment yes, and I will send you some details. What I want to say to you is that we're going to, before we do our live AI bootcamp, we're going to be doing a live Facebook here on a mini training session so that you get to understand what it's about, so that you're not just sort of thinking, I don't know how to do it. Let me tell you, you can do this. You can do this. It's like everyone is at the same level. Every business owner is really at the same level trying to implement AI, but it has to be specific for you, for your healthcare business, for example, because there's different regulations, as you know. Compliancy is important. Customer services is important. You want to be able to help your clients, the the buyers, you're the supplier. You want to be able to provide them with staff members quickly that are compliant, that you can do this on a monthly regular basis and receive a monthly income from the client itself, because they haven't got time. If they are a large organization, they haven't got time to do this, so you can help them with what the training that I'm going to provide you with. I'm going to actually give you as well, if you do go to the AI bootcamp, for example, I will give you a white label so that you can provide that same service, for example. Now, I jumped in here because I wanted you to know what's happening so that you can see about you joining the AI Bootcamp, the mini trainings that I've got. Look at the post. Don't miss out on this because this is an amazing opportunity for you for 2026. So why not become a part of this now? Start learning about how you can be an AI recruiting partner, whether you're providing permanent or whether you're providing temporary staff. You can provide this to organizations that are so big and large that they haven't got time to do this. You can be their partner. Working in collaboration, that's what you want to do. Whatever their weakness is, you want to be able to supply that so that it becomes their strength as well. So I just wanted to jump in here. Hope everyone is well. Sorry I haven't posted for a while. It's been a while, but I needed to get my stuff together, ready, and I am ready, and so is my team. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care, everyone. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.